Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Good morning. Good morning. Hello and how are you? Early in the morning, I say good morning. Hello and how are you? Good morning. Hi, friends. It's Thursday already. I hope you guys are doing good and you guys are getting used to our online learning for now. With this coronavirus going around, we're not even sure when we'll get back to see you, but hopefully soon. But we'll make do and we'll make the best of this time that we have with our families right now and enjoy it. Okay, so let's take a look at our calendar today. Let's count just from here. 22, 23, 24, 25, and today is 26. Okay, so we put our finger on 26, we move to the top, and help me figure out what today is. We say Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and we are thankful on this Thursday to be here and to be well and even to be able to do this. Okay, so today is Thursday, March 26, 2020, and we're still on our theme of spring, so we have another super fun activity for you planned today, and we always start with our story. So this, and the cover of this story is going to give you an idea of what we're making today. It's called Bringing the Outside In. All right, and we're lucky enough to be able to be going outside. Bringing the outside in. By Mary McKeon Siddles. We're bringing the outside in. Oh, bringing the outside in. Worms in our clutches, wind in our hair, boots full of puddle, mud everywhere. Bringing the outside in. Then wiping it off, mopping it up, dumping it out again. We're bringing the outside in. Oh, bringing the outside in. Sea in our towels, shells in our pails, sun on our shoulders, sand on our tails. Bringing the outside in, then shaking it off, washing it up, drying it out again. We're bringing the outside in, oh, bringing the outside in. Bushels of apples, leaves stuck on our clothes, acorns in our pockets, smells in our nose. Bringing the outside in, then picking it up, sweeping it up, tossing it out again. We're bringing the outside in, oh, bringing the outside in. Snow in our collars, slush on our seats, nip in our fingers, icicle treats. Bringing the outside in, then brushing it off, warming it off, thawing it out again. We're keeping the outside in, oh, keeping the outside in. Treasures collected, pictures in heaps, stories remembered, memories for keeps. Keeping the outside in, then digging it up, dusting it off, bringing it out again. Oh, bringing it out again.
That is such a cool story. And so in this story, they went out 4 different times, and guess what? Those were the 4 different seasons. The first season that the story started out with was springtime. They were bringing the outside in, and doesn't it look like a springtime day with their umbrellas and then the muddy puddles and the umbrellas getting blown because it's so windy out there? So it is windy in the springtime, and it's rainy too. And so we are going to be making a super fun craft today. I think you guys are gonna love it. Okay, so I'm gonna get our toolkit. So here's the toolkit. Inside, and I'll pull this over too so you guys can see. Inside, okay, can you see? All right. Inside our toolkit today, you're gonna need your folder. Uh-oh, I forgot my folder. Hold on while I run and get it for a second. So inside this folder today for this craft, you're gonna need this brown paper bag, okay? And inside the bag, there are some tools, so carefully take them out. You're gonna have some tissue paper, put that on the side. And you're gonna have a stick with yarn wrapped around it, okay? Put that on the side too. The first thing you're gonna need is your paper bag, okay? What we're gonna be doing today is we are gonna be making a paper bag kite for you guys to fly and have fun with, okay? So you'll also, besides your brown paper bag, you're gonna need anything you want to decorate. I'm gonna choose today, since we haven't used them yet, I'm gonna choose markers. And I also have these special little daughters. I don't know if you guys remember them. So you can use whatever you wanna use. You can use stickers, you can draw pictures, whatever you wanna do. So your job right now, step 1, is to decorate your paper bag. You need to decorate. So you see how this has a flap? You might want to lift it up because you'll be able to see it. So you're going to decorate the front and you're going to decorate the back, however you want to decorate it, okay? So I'm just going to do real quick because I want to get you started. So what I'm doing is I'm using my daughter and I'm making some polka dots all over my paper bag, which is going to be a kite. So I've got my polka dots, and then I'm going to do something cool. I'm going to use my markers, and I'm going to turn each of those dots that I made into flowers. So I'm decorating my kite how I want to. You decorate your kite however you want to. Okay, so I'm going to show you quick. And like you can see on my example over here, I drew rainbows and I drew kites, and then on the other side, I drew a little girl in the sunshine. So you can draw it however you want. I just turned my little polka dots into flowers. Okay, so I'm going to move on so that I can show you the rest of the instructions. Okay, step 2 is you're going to need your glue. So get out your glue. And remember, boys and girls, tissue paper is very thin, so really you only need a tiny little dot. So I'm going to open up my paper bag. I'm going to open up my paper bag, and I'm going to put a dot on my tissue paper. Tiny little dot, just like that. And I'm going to glue it to the bottom. This is going to be the tail of my kite. And I should have 4 strips. There's 2. And then here's 3. If you want to, boys and girls, you can go ahead and cut these to make them different sizes, and then you can make more than just 4 little tails. But don't cut them too short because you want them to fly. Okay, so I'm done with step 2. I've got my little kite, now looking more like a kite. Okay, step 3, you're probably gonna need mommy and daddy's help, just so that you don't mess it up. But you're gonna, sorry, I forgot to tell you, you'll need your scissors, but just for a second, you're gonna make a small little snip at the bottom of your bag, or you could even tear it, okay? Now what you're going to do is you're going to take this string and you're going to unravel it. Okay? And you're going to put this into that hole. You're going to have to stick your hand in. And so it's going to be like the blocker. See? So the stick is in there. I don't know, can you see it? The stick is in there to hold the string from coming out. And then you can run and fly your kite. That's step 4, is to have fun and fly this kite. Alrighty? Okay, get to work, have fun. I'll see you soon for the second activity later on today. Bye, friends. Mwah.